Hey daisies, welcome back to my channel. So I know that Valentine's Day was a week ago, but I wanted to show you guys my setup. So I'm going to start this vlog off with that, and then we will get into the rest of the vlog. So enjoy the video.
You're like the wind. You're like a butterfly. Need to be seen. You always need to fly. You always leave. You never tell me where. You need the wind, the wind. It always takes you there. Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me without a warning. Without you here, babe, I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now, so don't leave. Spare me this feeling now, but it's okay now.
Okay guys, so I just finished setting up the Valentine's display for tomorrow. So hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day, and let me know down below what you guys are doing. Well, actually, by the time you guys see this video, what you guys actually did for Valentine's Day or Galentine's. Jalen bought us flowers and balloons. Me and my mom dying. So these are so pretty. These are mine. She bought me, and these were my mom's. It is a few days later. They're dying. I think they're dying because they're not naturally red. It looks like they spray painted them, and I think that's killing it. Hey guys, good morning. What's up? Happy Saturday. Today is going to be a busy day for me. I mentally have planned out what all I need to get done and do. Specifically one project that I know some of you guys may be waiting on that I have taken forever to complete. So my goal is to go ahead on and do everything that I need to do to try to wrap that project up in the month of March. My faucets just came in. My light fixtures are, well, my vanity light fixtures are on their way. I just have to find somebody to install it. The project I'm referring to is the bathroom. It wasn't supposed to take as long as it has. It started off as like a simple DIY, like, okay, I'm gonna paint, I'm gonna do the flooring, and has since turned into like a whole thing. It was like, okay, well, I want to do new backsplash. I added molding. I want to change out my light fixture, my faucet, my shower head. I just wanted to just change everything. And so when I did that, it just created a longer process. And then with me trying to do it by myself and on my own, as a DIY, it just was even more lengthy. So neither here nor there. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best to wrap that project up within the next few months, most definitely, because it's just been way too long. And I'm gonna do a separate video where I will basically do like a recap of what everything that's been done, because it's been a while since I've shared everything, and just kind of do a catch up to date as to where I am, and then we will see the rest of the process go out from there. But anyway, so another thing on my list is that it is time, y'all. It is finally time to get rid of the sofa. So I'm going to look at some sofas today. My usual go-to is Rooms To Go. I love Rooms To Go, absolutely love them. So I'm going to look at some sofas in there and see what I find. Hopefully I find the one. But my only thing now is trying to figure out what I want to do with the current one. You know, like, am I going to keep it in storage, or do I want to try to sell it? Ideally, if I ever got like another home, that like a bigger house, and it had a basement, I would actually like for that to probably go in the basement, because it's super comfortable, and it's just one of those relaxing movie night type of sofas, sectionals. But it's just ugly as heck. Like, it just throws everything off, and it just messes with my whole aura in that room. So anyway, a lot going on in my head, and we're gonna try to get all of this out into reality, you know what I mean? So the vision has to come to reality at some point. Just got my first watch, so I'm gonna go ahead on and eat, and then yeah, so before I start eating, I actually need to go around the corner and get my coffee. They completely finessed me on the fruit today, but that's okay. So you guys like my sweatshirt, my apparel? I just got it my logo redone, designed by a Daisy. It was time for me to get the logo done, so Royal Abney made me some apparel with my logo on it, and I will link her information down below. But I love it. This sweatshirt right here is super soft. It comes in like multiple colors. I also got some t-shirts just because I want to have, you know, I want to have it in like t-shirts, sweatshirts. I typically wear them when I'm doing like my gigs, my installs, shopping, just, you know, rocking myself. But it looks so good and I love it. And you know I love black tights, so it goes like perfect with my black tights and everything that I have on. So yeah, I will, like I said, I'll put her information down in the description box. If you need t-shirts made, you know, with your logo on them, I think it's actually really good advertisement to wear your business on you sometime the same way that you wear other brands. You know, allow people to see, you know, your name and, you know, wonder, what is that? And, you know, sometimes they may ask you, or sometimes they may just go to Google and start, you know, looking and seeing exactly what that is. So, yeah, absolutely love it. I'm gonna get some more colors. I am always leaving my mask. I don't know, I keep leaving my mask. This is pretty. I love this wood. That's pretty. This is beautiful. It's Canyon City. These chairs. This is really nice. Have this. It's a hard no for the ottoman. Of course, whatever we get, we're definitely changing out the pillows. So the pillows are not a deciding factor on any of these. I like that my whole body can fit on one square. So that's this is, I love the depth of this, but it's gonna be too long for my living room. My living room is not this wide, but I love this area. It's like a bed, like a whole bed. This wall is beautiful. I love the architecture. This is a nice masculine sofa for a man with the wood. But I love this built-in shelving. That is pretty. I'm looking at this sofa here. Well, not this sofa particularly, but it's gonna be similar in this color, which is a pretty like off-white-ish. It looks a little more gray on camera, but it's really off-white. And so he's looking to see if that other sofa you guys saw me on, I could get it in this color, which will be perfect for my house because I have these off-white, you know, that's like similar to what I have in my house, which is off-white. All right, so sad face because the sofa that I really loved, perfect size, and I already had a vision for it, It does not come in that light color fabric like we thought it did. It only comes in that dark charcoal gray, and that gray is actually like a bluish gray color. It goes with nothing. So I'm a little disappointed because like I said, I love Rooms To Go, and that's where I get most of my large pieces from. So I was thinking that I would easily find something in here. But yeah, all the other ones are just too long for my family room. My house is not that big, and my family room, I measured it. I can't go past 136 on the back side, and most of the Cindy Crawford pieces, which has that pillow look, they're like 150 something inches wide. So it's a no-go. The one, like I said, the one that she did have that I really loved, oh my gosh, it was so comfortable. I perfectly fit on one large pillow myself, even with my legs stretched out, which is what I want, and they don't have it in my color. So moving on to somewhere else. Let's move on, get back to the house so that I can let's get back to the house so that I can start painting, because my plan is to paint today. So I need to check and make sure I have enough paint. If not, go to Home Depot, get some paint so we can paint this bathroom, the toilet room.
I work hard for my ends, at times I gotta repent. Just got paid, now it's spent. Just got late, now she vent. Call out sick, now we bend. Damn, we missed the event. We end up texting in bed. She like twisting my hair. PC, we search the web. Gotta make sure we fed, or else she gon' be fed.
I don't have my edger, so I have to go to Sherwin-Williams to get an edger. I have officially finished painting. Now it's all white. I know it's all blending together, but in the next video we are gonna decorate everything, and I'll see you then. This is the shelf that's gonna go inside of the bathroom. Thank you all so much for watching the vlog. I'm going to be decorating this space, this entire area, in a separate video, and then we will pick up with the remaining pieces that's left to do in this bathroom and be done with it finally, and I can show you guys the actual reveal. But I am loving the way that it has all come together. I am going to do a bathroom video recap. I think I said that earlier in the video, but if not, I am going to do one of those all put together so that you can see everything that's been done so far and get caught up if you are new to my channel and you have not seen those videos. So please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss anything, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, daisies.
I'm making these moves to take it all in. I envision this when I was a kid, still on the same shit. Work hard for my ends, put on for the family, take nothing for granted. This shit is a blessing, but also a curse. I maneuver away of the cancers. I'm off of that clout that I'm taking the seed, and I sprouted the planets to grow, and then watch the bandwagon get crowded.